Scott from Albertus, Pennsylvania has a question about propane air conditioning.
He has a brand new Train XV95, Tom.
I like it.
But it's half installed. That's his problem. Scott writes, the installer took the money and ran. He installed a 3-ton AC coil, and that was about it. I'd like to have a dual heat and heat pump put in. I mean, do I have to use a Train outdoor condenser, or can I use a different one? Can it be matched up? He says the Goodman ones are about half the price. So, Tom, Scott wants to know, is there a better compatible unit?
Well, it's not that it's compatible. You can mix and match evaporator coils and condensing coils, okay? So let's just keep it simple, but they have to be compatible. And I can't say this brand is compatible with that brand. It doesn't work that way. But this model number might be compatible with this model. So the air conditioning contractor that hopefully you'll hire that won't take your money but install it right will match what you want to the evaporator coil that apparently is the only part that got installed in the whole system anyway.
How often do you pay an AC contractor up front for a job like that?
I don't know. I never have.
I never have.
Okay.
Right.
So
I mean, I guess for others watching, the point of the story is that when a guy says pay for this job up front, it means that A, he's probably using your job to pay another job, or he doesn't have enough money to go get the equipment because he doesn't have credit from the service place, the depot. And so that should give you a warning sign right there.
And not only that is when they come up to you and say, I can get you a deal, but I need the money.
Right.
You'll hear that all the time. People say, I'm going to get this great deal, so I don't mind. This guy seems nice enough.
He seems nice enough, yeah.
A business can float. They don't. If I'm in the air conditioning business and I'm putting in air conditioning units, I am ordering them, they're getting delivered, I'm putting them in, and then they're billing me 30 days later.
Right.
And that's when I pay for it. That's how business runs. So if you don't run your business that way, you're not running a business. Don't give anybody your money.
What more need be said other than if you have a question, go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. And if you subscribe to our channel and click the bell at no extra charge, we will ring yours when we post a new one.